Hello everyone, this is the video for class 7, 13th chapter, Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose. Now, before starting the topic, I want to tell you that you don't have to read the full chapter, just do the lines that I have underlined, okay? Now, what do you mean by pioneer? Pioneer means the successor, जो कोई एक सब्जेक्ट को लेके जाता है, आगे लेके जाता है, ठीक है. नाउ इट इज़ रिटन ओवर हियर, अ पियोनियर ऑफ मॉडर्न साइंस इन इंडिया, बोस वॉज born in 1858 in East Bengal, now is Bangladesh. His father, Bhagwan Chandra Bose, was courageous, intelligent, and a man of great integrity. He was a deputy magistrate in Faridpur. Jagdish Chandra inherited these qualities from his father. His primary education took place in the Missionary School of Calcutta. He went to the higher studies to England. Now, you have to remember what his father was doing, what is his name, where Jagdish Chandra Bose was born. Okay. Now, where he went for his further education. First, he has his primary education in the Missionary School of Calcutta, and after that, he went for the further studies to England. Okay. Now, in London, once all the great scientists have gathered to witness the Bose experience to prove that the plant has life. That means what? One thing you remember, this person has an experiment which tells us that how plants are also a living thing. Previously it was not taken as so, but nowadays it has been taken that plant also has life. He is the one who described it, or we can say he has the one who has proved it. During the demonstration of the experiment, when the plant did not die as expected after the poison was injected into it, Bose remained unperturbed. That is, he was awestruck. He was even awestruck, but also he was very happy that his experiment is legally having a way. Okay, now he simply said the poison did not kill the plant, so it would not kill me, as I am another living thing. Saying this, he brought the injection syringe close to his left arm to inject its content into his body. There was collision at that moment, and the scientist got up and declared that he accepts defeat and apologized as he has replaced the vial of poison with a colored water. He did this to test the authenticity of Bose's claim. That means what? One of the scientists over there, what he did, he just exchanged this poison with the colored water, so that whether it is authenticized or not, it can be proved, or the, what do we say, as the confidence of Bose has to be checked. Okay, now sorry. Then the same experiment was conducted successfully, and the second time, and Bose's work was great appreciated, and he was appreciated for that. After completing his education in London, Jagdish Chandra returned to Calcutta and joined the faculty of Presidency College, Calcutta, as a professor. His salary was fixed to two-thirds to that of the European professor, and was further halved as he was supposed to be the officially only. Jagdish Chandra protested against this injustice was unique. He accepted to join and continue teaching, but refused to his salary check for the next 3 years. That means what? Usually we used to do, we used to revolt against something, we used to scream out for something, but he didn't do so. As his salary was not as much as the European professor, what he did, he just took this job but without any salary for the 3 years, eventually realizing the value of his work by the special. Now, eventually it has been taken into consideration, and he didn't took that 3 years check for his salary. But seeing his devotion towards the teaching, the official government, especially that Majesty government, has decided to meet him, and he gave his full salary according to his worthiness. Okay. Now, Bose believed that true scientists must learn to observe closely instead of proving or analyzing from the distance. His early researches were on the properties of the electric waves, and most probably with the electromagnetic waves. Okay, now he has improved, or we can say he has invented the 5 to 25 millimeter electromagnetic waves. Okay, now again we have he also put a research on the field of botany. Okay, now see, one thing is that I am not doing the whole chapter, because just whatever I have underlined, that will only come. Okay, so that may be question from the inside or from the back of the chapter, but don't worry, because whatever will be there within this line zone. Now he also having the research, but once a time was there when he gave up the research on the field, because he was told that he has to give his research to the outer scientists, that is to the American scientists. That's why he rejected that, and he started his new inventions, where he come to the plant physiologist and physicist both studied the sensitivity of the plant in detail, and developed the sensitive introduction for measuring the plant growth and behavior. He insisted a resonant and isolate recorder also, oscillating recorder, which will measure what? It will measure the growth or the response, electronic response of the plants external stimuli. Okay, now his major achievements were also these. He also gave that whatever the reaction will have the plants, the same reaction will be having on the other living beings except the non-living beings. Okay, he also what do we say, he also invented that crescograph. Okay, crescograph, which records the plant growth. Okay, as well as published work.